Hello, this is Kyle with EnviroKlenz, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our EnviroKlenz Mobile Air System. This system will process 250 cubic feet per minute of air when it's running on high. The system utilizes 2 stages of filtration, and what really separates this system from other systems on the market is the first stage of filtration is actually a patented media that can capture and eliminate a broad spectrum of chemical pollutants. The second stage of filtration is a HEPA filter, so it's able to capture 99.99% of particulate matter down to 0.3 microns. Now I'd like to show you how this system is set up when you get it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the system around so you can see the back panel. And I'm just going to remove these thumb screws. It's an easy to remove back panel. Just set them and the panels to the side. Next you're going to take your HEPA filter and go ahead and slide that in first on the bottom. That's the second stage of filtration. And next, I just removed this from the package, is the EnviroKlenz patented cartridge. You just slide that in on top of the HEPA filter. Get it nice and lined up. And the way this system works is the air is going to flow from the top down through both stages of filtration and out through the bottom front panel. The system has 4 speeds. There's off, then the 4 speeds are wisp air, low, medium, and high. And it's at high where you'll get the 250 feet per minute of cubic air.